Welcome to Decent Channel. We bring you an on-site factory inspection record. 12 customized mining fans manufactured by Decent Machinery have been shipped to a copper mine project in Central Asia. The whole batch has undergone to full days of full condition testing, with full on-site supervision by authoritative third-party institution BV, and all equipment passed all test items with excellent results. Now let's take a look at the premium customized configurations of this batch of export fans. Integrated silencers are installed on both the front and rear of the unit to effectively reduce operating noise underground. The equipment is equipped with temperature and vibration sensors for 24-hour real-time monitoring of operating data. All sensors will be fitted with dedicated protective covers after testing to shield against underground dust, impact, and moisture, extending their service life. The unit is matched with high-performance explosion-proof motors, perfectly suitable for high-risk underground working conditions. It is supported by a Class 1 explosion-proof control cabinet. The cabinet is constructed with thickened steel plates and fitted with dedicated external heat dissipation meshes for excellent heat dissipation. The touchscreen on the cabinet is also explosion-proof. It supports customization for various minor languages to meet application scenarios for global overseas clients. A Siemens PLC control system is built inside, delivering stable operation and precise parameter adjustment. In addition, we have optimized and downsized the control cabinet. The compact cabinet occupies less floor space, making manual transportation and underground installation much easier. Beyond the fan models for this Central Asia project, Decent Machinery manufactures full series and full-spec mining ventilation equipment, including single and counter-rotating mining fans. We offer flexible optional accessories as required, such as silencers, explosion-proof or non-explosion-proof motors, and complete electric control systems. Custom voltages including 380 volts, 660 volts, 1140 volts, and other special mining voltages are available. Air volume and power can be individually adjusted according to underground mining conditions to realize exclusive customization backed by rigorous quality, controlled and authoritative third-party testing. Decent Machinery provides one-stop ventilation equipment solutions for mining enterprises worldwide. Mining manufacturers from all regions are welcome to contact us for customized cooperation.